And a big thank you to the rest of the cast. Subaraj garu unnaru, Kovai Sarala garu unnaru, Sonia, Monica, andarki big thank you. And also special mention to the entire team of Hotstar, especially Nandini. She's been like an angel in disguise to me. My constant support on set, and even after that, especially during dubbing, and chala trouble chesanu, I know. But she's always been there for me. So thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to working with you once again. I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. Yeah, big thank you to everyone. And చాలా సార్లు మన చుట్టుపక్క చాలామంది మనకి చెప్తూ ఉంటారు, డిస్కరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, నువ్వు ఇది చేయలేవు, ఇలా ఉండాలి, అలా ఉండాలి, ఎస్పెషలీ అమ్మాయిలకి. ఐ హోప్ దట్ దిస్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ గివ్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ some kind of hope and inspires them to live a better life. My web series Devika and Danny is going to be streaming from June 6th only on Hotstar. Please show us some love and me feedback kosam mem edur chustuntamu. Thank you so much.
Thank you.